Introduction. Nowadays, customer loyalty is a key aspect in ensuring profit guarantee for all business sectors in the long run. This customer loyalty can be formed in a company by applying a customer relationship management CRM system. Customer relationship management is a strategy dedicated to organizing and connecting customers with the business. In addition, CRM also track and measure business marketing campaign through various networks to increase the company's profit percentage. However, there are some companies that have to close due to losses after implementing the use of CRM strategies to gain customer loyalty and generate profit to the business. This problem often happens to small medium enterprise SMEs to compete, which can then raise doubt to the owners of these SMEs about the effectiveness of using CRMs to maintain customer loyalty in SMEs. Therefore, the purpose of writing this paper is to analyze previous studies on the impact of CRM strategies on customer loyalty in the small medium enterprise sector. In addition, we would also like to study the impact of trust, privacy, and service quality on the success of eCRM and the impact of big data technology in improving CRM performance. First article that we study first is the impact of CRM strategy on customers' loyalty in SME. The objective of this article is to understand the impact of customer relationship management CRM strategy on customer loyalty in small medium enterprise. Second, studying customer relationship management in small and medium enterprise is considered an effective option and strategy to gain a competitive advantage. What we learn from this article: first, CRM or customer relationship is a system that provides the tool needed to forge and strengthen deeper relationship with customer while creating lasting mutually beneficial relationship on both sides. With the committed team perspective and the right tool to manage customer knowledge, business can better understand customer need and make better value proposition that improve customers' buying behavior. Second, good employee attitude and service when dealing with customers influence the percentage level of customer loyalty to give them trust in a company. An employee who is knowledgeable, courteous, and responsive in accordance with the business strategy will influence customer perception of the company and is likely to create a long-term relationship. Thirdly, reasonable pricing and maximum quality of service are mainstay of customer satisfaction as well as gaining the trust of customers to place their loyalty on a company. Customers are more comfortable because things like reasonable price, quality service, and customization show that companies are more concerned with their relationship, not on profit or marginal gain.
The title of this article is The Impact of Trust, Privacy and Quality of Service on the Success of Electronic Customer Relationship Management, the Mediating Role of Customer Satisfaction. This article was published on 2020 and the objective of this article is to examine the impact of trust, privacy, service quality and customer satisfaction on the success of electronic customer relationship management. Then, this paper also analyzed the future challenge of electronic customer relationship management system. The sample of this study is 384 of taxpayers in East Azerbaijan in Iran. What we learn from this article is successful customer relationship management requires strong privacy security. This is because the strong privacy makes the customer feel confident and trust when using the system as their personal data is protected. Then, in this article also emphasizes that trust is a key factor of success in customer relationship management, and trust also can give satisfaction to the customer until the relationship is formed for the long term. Besides, this article also said service quality is very important in providing customer satisfaction. and ultimately give the success on customer relationship management. And then customer remain loyal to the company and further strengthen the relationship. Nowadays, with the latest technology, electronic customer relationship management must be used because it can facilitate user. So the manager must do the best service to improve their quality, which can strengthen their relationship with customer. The title of this article is Impact of Big Data Technologies in Enhancing Customer Relationship Management Performance. This article was published on 2020, and the objective of this article is searching for types that are used by organizations to analyze big data in customer relationship and improve customer satisfaction and buying behavior. Then, this article also find out how organizations see the feature of big data in different forecasting systems to measure and improve their customer relationship management. This study was conducted on 3 organizations like retail, property, and insurance in Dubai. What we learned from this article is the result is the big data is proven to be able to improve customer relationship management performance. This is because big data is able to incorporate data from internal and external about consumer behavior and purchasing pattern into the organization. Big data also allows the customer relationship management to analyze consumer and understand their behavior more effectively. Then, big data can also create pricing strategies based on users' feedback and real-time analysis. This can increase sales and effectiveness and increase the company profits.